Hey, today we're going to check out one of the latest features added to Adobe After Effects 2026, Variable Fonts. A variable font is a font that contains many variations in a single file. This means it has parameters we can animate, like weight, width, slant, and more. The range of available parameters depends on the specific font. Each one can have different animation possibilities. To check which fonts support variable fonts, we can go to Adobe Fonts. After selecting the Browse All tab, in the side menu we check Variable Fonts. This will show all fonts that have these parameters. Clicking on any of them lets us see exactly which properties we can animate. Now, let's move to an example where I show you how to make text move to the rhythm of music using variable font parameters. Once we have a text layer with a variable font, we add a music track to the project. Then, we right-click on it, choose Keyframe Assistant, and then convert audio to keyframes. This turns the audio volume into animated keyframes. After creating the new layer, we'll see left channel, right channel, and both channels, which contain keyframes corresponding to the volume of the music. Now, let's go to our text. Once selected, in the text panel, next to the font name, we can see the list of parameters we can edit. To create an animation synced with the music, we go to Text, Animate, Variable Font, and choose the parameter we want to animate. For me, it will be width. This allows us to change the letter width in the animator. To make the width change with the music, we click the pick whip and drag it to the Both Channels slider on the Audio Amplitude layer. Let's check the effect. As you can see, it's not working properly yet. That's because we need to add a base value to the expression, like value plus the audio volume. After this, the text starts reacting to the music, like it's gone totally crazy. Now, let's add another text animation using a different variable font, which has other parameters. Again, we go to Animate to Variable Font and this time choose, for example, Bounce. We link this parameter to the audio volume the same way. We can see the animation works, but it's very subtle, almost invisible. That's why we add a multiplier before the audio value, like 20. Now, the effect becomes much more noticeable. Let's also add spacing animation, doing everything exactly like before. This time, we can use a multiplier of 20 or even 40, but first, check the parameters range. If the value is too high, the parameter might stay at the maximum all the time and the animation won't be visible. Play around with these parameters. Have fun experimenting. That's it for today. Subscribe because a new tutorial will be coming soon. Bye!